Alright, everyone! The team out of order! Everybody, let's give them a big round of applause! Wow, grabe! Standing ovation tayo. And of course, syempre, magkakaroon pa rin po tayo ng talkback. So everybody, stay back, relax, and listen to the talkback. And this time around, may I invite, of course, nandito na pala sila, ang ating cast. And of course, take a seat. Let's have a quick photo op din habang nakaupo na sila sa kanilang respective seats. Again, thank you everybody. We hope that you guys enjoyed the film, of course. Sana po tuloy-tuloy natin itong suportahan, lalo na sa Netflix. October 2 na po yan. Day.
Picture kami.
Picture lang daw po, everyone.
Mamatay ang husay mo, punyeta!
Mama Ted, feeling ko kailangan niyo pong sumama sa photo op. Okay, let's have a quick photo op with everyone. Everybody, you can stand up. It's okay. You can stand up. Parang kitang-kita po tayong lahat. You can put your hands up. Good. Wow. Cheer for that. Miss Yayo, would you like to... Oh, sorry. All right, again, everybody, you may take your seat because we'll now proceed on. All right, lumabas po at mag-CR din si Miss MJ. We'll now proceed on to Miss Kate at the heart of Random Republica.
May mic si Miss A.
Hi, congratulations, especially to Direct.
Thank you.
Pang-ilang beses mo nang pinanood and how does it feel watching it?
20,000 times.
What's the experience?
Yes, the actual material shot for trimmed down the sequence quite a bit. But when I watched the first edit kasi nito, yung 3 hours, parang dumaan lang siya because ako, when I saw the script and when I saw my co-actors here, sabi ko hindi pwedeng merong maiwang role. And I think the film is very evident, of course, to Francine, to Miss Yayo, to Heaven, to Joy Chings, and to Nico, to Tito Sol, especially Tito Sol, and of course, Tito Noni, Miss Andrea Del Rosario. Actually, obvious. And sobrang nakaka-proud lang na nakita nyo to, napanood nyo yung debut na hindi sa cellphone, hindi sa TV screen nyo, kundi sa big screen natin. So, di ba, kahit hindi man theatrical release si Out of Order, we made sure that the premiere of this film would be something memorable din naman para sa ating lahat. Very happy and fulfilled. Sobrang thank you.
And then tama nga ba, you took part then in writing the story?
Yes, actually, from the first letter of the script, ando na po kami. We had 2 months to develop the script. We actually had lawyers as writers for this script, particularly si Attorney Karen Lustica. So yun, and she really made time for us, and of course with yung head writer natin, si Mr. Randy Villanueva, which is a Palangka awardee. And then of course, with me, ang partner ko dyan is, of course, Direk Ryan Evangelista was also here. Patago-tago lang si Direk. Direk Ryan. And of course, the whole Viva and Myriad team really worked so hard for this because the soul of the film is the script. And all the other moving parts are essential, but the script is our Bible. So it was 3 months yata, if I'm not mistaken, or 2 months in finalizing the script. Kasi dun babase lahat ng galaw namin. So we had to make sure that the script is perfect and not just okay na yan. we're not a fan of that.
Thank you. Last question. Your thoughts na very timely siya sa nangyayari sa bansa ngayon. And what do you wish it will, yung impact niya na makikreate? Ano yung wish mo?
The battle for justice is every day. Injustice is very dominant in our society, hindi lang sa Pilipinas. Unfair treatments, people in power abusing their position. I am just so frustrated with what's happening. Niloloko tayo. Niloloko tayo ng mga people in power. And I'm brave enough to say that because it's quite evident. Hindi ako magtatanga-tangahan sa nakikita ko. Because that's my favorite quote, and that lately for this film is, justice is not blind. It's being blinded. Binubulag ang hustisya para sa mga tao. And with this film, I hope it would be a reminder that with courage, and as long as we're fighting for the good and the good of all our fellow men, we can never go wrong when we fight for justice and the truth. I hope this film will deliver that message. And the reminder to keep on fighting for the truth is every day of our lives. Paglaban natin yung dapat para sa atin all the time.
Salamat at ang ganda ng pelikula. Congratulations.
Thank you, Ms. Kay.
Thank you, that was Kate Manahar of Random Republica of Magadia of Maganda Ba Movie.
Hello guys. Congrats sa pelikula. First question ko would be for Alden din. Bilang director, gano'n ka hands-on sa technical ng pelikula? Kasi we've heard before na may ginamit kayong bagong technology sa pag-shoot yung camera. So, ano to? Yung experience ng paggamit na yun, paano siya nag-reflect sa ngayon na napanood mo na sa big screen yung pelikula?
Yes, to be honest, I'm not really familiar with the technicalities of the requirements. I just know that there are lights and cameras and lenses to be used when making film. But as a director, my vision and what I wanted to see on screen is clear. So with that, tinutulungan ako ng technical team natin and my DOP, which is Eric Oren, my camera of si Kuya Eric din at saka si Zarina Urbano. They're the ones who, and of course, Derek Ryan, they're helping me with the specifics of it. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung para saan ba yung lending to. I mean, with the technology as well, I think you saw some shots here that it feels like that the shot suot-suot ng character yung camera, and that's what we call Snoricam. It makes it more personal, and I think that Snoricam shots were meant for the audience to actually feel every movement of the character wearing that camera. So kita natin sa opening, kay Tito Noni, pagbangon pa lang niya sa kama. Naka-mount yun. Actually, pag nilabas namin yung behind the scenes, makikita niya naka-strap siya sa katawan namin, and then may camera in front. And while you're acting, kailangan alalayan mo yung camera. So ganun namin siya ginagawa. And I think it made a difference with the film. But right now, since I'm also gonna be starting my next directorial job, and it's also a partnership with Viva and Myriad Entertainment. So, abangan niyo yun. It's, hindi naman ako masyadong mag-divulge ng details, but I think few of you guys here has an idea already, but I have to, that's my, siguro, requirements sa sarili ko na kailangan maging familiar na ako. I have to be specific with the things that I want. The name of the lights, the number of the lenses, the camera to be used, etc.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, that was Magadia of Maganda Ba Movie. Up next, we have Nurse Alma of GMA Entertainment.
Hi, good evening. Siguro, first, maganda yung movie. I love the twist. Ayun.
Thank you, Mama Tenar.
So siguro sa twist na lang, no, for Joyce. Nung nabasa mo yung script na to, ano yung first reaction mo? Kasi yung, especially yung part ng revelation, diba?
Personally, nagulat po ako talaga. Kasi nung nagsa-script reading kami, ine-enjoy ko lang yung dynamics namin tatlo. Na parang tropa-tropa, enjoy. Tapos pagdating sa dulo, parang ako rin, nung binabasa ko, nalungkot ako kasi, ay, bakit ako traidor? Hindi ko matanggap. Sana si Tolitz na lang. Pero super natuwa po talaga ako at na-excite ako na gawin yung pelikula.